Hello, students. Good morning. I hope you are enjoying your quarantine days inside your home, right? Okay, along with that, spend some time for your studies. Okay, students? Okay. I hope you enjoyed the last class. Have you memorized the poem? Did you sing the song at home? Okay, students. In this English class today, we are going to see a prose hobby turns a successful career. Shall we go inside? Okay. First, tell me what is hobby? Yes, hobby is different type of activity which we do in our leisure time. Leisure time means spare time, free time. It is unique to people. Unique means here uncommon. For example, gardening, collecting stamps, cycling, cooking, painting, etc. Do you think hobby is just to pass the time, students? No, it is not only to pass the time but also to do something very useful. Okay, today's lesson is also about hobby, but through this lesson we can learn how a hobby changes into career. This lesson has 3 sections. Today we will see the first section. Okay, students, shall we go inside? Okay, see here, first section. This is about a boy named Mani. He had some difficulties in reading and writing that was noticed by his grandfather. He helped him to read bedtime stories, through which he developed his skills in reading and writing. He started to write more stories, so writing became his hobby. Shall I ask you some questions from this part, students? Okay, tell me the answer. Who helped Mani? Yes, correct. Mani's grandfather helped him. Next question, how he helped? Very good, by reading bedtime stories. Shall we go to the next topic, students? Okay, next thing is writing. Writing is a unique hobby because many people thought it was tough and made them to exhaust. Exhaust means here tired, but Mani didn't think so. He said that writing was like painting or voice. Okay, now say the answer for the question. Why writing is a unique hobby? As many people thought it was tough and made them to exhaust. Okay, students, shall we go to the next point? Okay, next thing is uses. Uses means benefits. What are all the benefits Mani got by his hobby writing? That only we are going to see now. Shall we go? Okay, first thing is very beneficial. Mani thought writing, his hobby, was very beneficial because he learned more things by his writing. It made him a broad minded person and more passionate about his life. He learnt new things and enjoyed every moment in his life. Through his hobby, writing, Mani got more knowledge to describe the things accurately. And then he came across the problem with writing English essays or stories. So he learned different forms of writing like a fiction and non-fictions. Okay. While writing, he learned to imagine a world with magic and magician where he could fly and talk with the birds and animals, etc. And his advice for us is always we should learn and improve our hobbies. Okay, students? And Mani's aim is to become a famous writer like R.K. Narayan. So, children, set your hobby and goal, then travel in the correct path. Definitely, you'll reach the height. Okay. Now we can go for the mind map of this section. Mind map means within a 5 or 6 lines, we are going to narrate the story. That is called mind map. See the first point. Hobby turns a successful career. Next thing is Mani had difficulty in reading and writing. Grandfather helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually started writing his own stories and essays. His hobby made him a successful writer. Okay, students? Did you understand? Okay, through this 5 lines, 5 points, you can narrate the story. Okay, now we are going to see the hard words with meaning. Okay, see the first one. Unique means uncommon. Exhaust, which means tire out. Third thing, energizes, give energy. Fourth one, passionate, intense. Fifth one, accurately means exactly. Sixth one, fiction, imaginative. Okay, students, you just copy this in your classwork note and memory this. Okay, next thing, did you know? In this part, they gave an information. We are going to see that. Just see here, listen here. The former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. C.N. Annadurai, had the hobbies of reading and writing. He wrote many books, stories, plays, thought-provoking articles and cine dialogues. which have contributed to reformation of society. Okay, students, now it's time to go for 1 marks. You should give the answer for these questions. First Roman letter is true or false. See the first question. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Is it true? Yes, it is false because Mani's hobby is writing. See the next one. Hobbies are unique to people. Yes, it is true because hobbies are uncommon. It is like a cycling, painting, reading, writing, etc. Okay, students. Now see the third question. People have hobbies only to pass time. Yes, it is false because people have hobbies to do something very useful. Now we can go for choose the correct answer. See the first question. Mani imagined a world with, yes, correct. Option C, magic and magicians, where he could fly and he could talk with animals, birds, etc. Okay, students, see the next question. When Mani started writing things, he was unable to, is option A, describe them accurately. Third question, Mani feels writing is like, very good, painting the voice. Okay, students, did you understand? Okay, next slide I gave the answer. Check it with the answers. You have to copy all the mind map, hard words with their meaning and 1 marks or everything in your note, and you just want to read it, memory all the one. Now here are some quotes which is in your book. See the first one. Whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. This is written by Warren Buffett. Writing is easy. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words. This said by Mark Twain. Okay, students, have you understood? Okay, we'll meet you in the next class.